Kung masabi nyo at naka-receive kayo ng award, anong award po ito?
I got yung liwanag ng konseho ko. First and foremost, happy 124th anniversary po sa City Council ng Manila, and thank you also to our Vice Mayor Chi Atienza, for organizing and hosting an event po that recognizes different, yung mga iba't ibang kawani natin ng gobyerno dito sa lungsod ng Maynila. So I'm happy and I'm touched na, yung mga nire-reap natin ay nasusold din natin unti-unti.
Where did you dedicated this award?
Saan ko i-dedicate yung award? Hindi ko alam eh. Wala pa akong naiisip. Siguro na to the youth of Manila naman. Because first and foremost naman, yun naman po yung focus natin bilang SB Federation President. So I'd like to dedicate this award maybe to the youth sector of the city of Manila. Given na sila naman yung pinaglalaban.
Anong masasabi mo? Ikaw ang pinakabatang awardee.
Wow! Happy. Ay, nag-interview. Happy po and very touched po. Especially, hindi ko na in-expect kasi nag-chismisan lang kami nila o series nung time. Tinatanong ko pa ano ba yung mga awards. Tapos biglang ako na. So, very surprised and very honored din po to have received such a prestigious award. Thank you. Thank you po. Ingat po kayo.